Hey guys, welcome to our classroom picnic. This is a family picnic scene. Give names to all the people, look at the picture and make sentence using phrases given in the box. हमें इन सब का नाम देना है, जैसे ये है पापा, मम्मी, दादा, दादी, आप, आपका भाई, आपकी बहन। अब हमें इन वर्ड से सेंटेंस फॉर्म करना है, इन फ्रेज से सेंटेंस को फॉर्म करना है। ईटिंग फूड टुगेदर, वी आर ईटिंग फूड टुगेदर। पिकिंग अप wrappers or waste papers, after eating we should pick up wrappers or waste paper. Serving food, my mom is serving food to us. Playing football, me and my dad are playing football. Talking to elderly people, my brother is talking to elderly people. Fishing with grandfather, you try this.